Whoa, taihoa. Me inoi tuatahi. Mā wai te inoi. Wai papa? Te pāwhakapainga wēnei kai hei orogo mo te tina nei rungi te ngūkrai te amine. Kare. Kua māua te kai. The kai is cooked. It's ready to eat. The best time of the day. Kua is a time and it means past. Māua is to be cooked. And te kai is the food. So kua māua te kai means the food is cooked. It's ready to eat. Run. Me inoi tuatahi. Me should. Inoi is pray. Bless the food. Tuatahi is firstly. So when you say me inoi tuatahi, bless the food first. Another one you can ask is mā wai te karakia. Mā wai is who will. Te the karakia. Inoi and karakia are the same. So mā wai te inoi, mā wai te karakia. Who will bless the food? And the last one we're going to do today is kua ki te puku. My belly's full. Okay, in some places they say kua mākona. That's an old one and it's a beautiful saying. Kua mākona. I am satisfied. So you can use any of those. Kua ki te puku, kua mākona. Food was good. I'm satisfied. I'd like to thank everybody for all the likes, for all the shares. And it helps to promote te reo Māori throughout the world, not only in our communities, but throughout everywhere. Nō reira whānau, continue to give it a like, give it a share. Spread te reo Māori everywhere. Buha! Kua māua te kai!